Hey everyone, want your Gmail emails to look more professional? Adding or updating your signature is the key. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail signature in just few steps. Let's get started. First, go to Gmail and log into your account. Then here click the gear icon in the top right corner and click See All Settings. Then in the Settings menu, scroll down to the Signature section. And here, you'll see your current signature or an option to create a new one. Click Create New to make a new signature, or click your existing signature to edit it. You can add text, links, or images, or even emojis to customize it. And below the signature box, choose which signature to use for new emails and reply forward emails. Scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. And that's it. Your Gmail emails will now automatically include your updated signature. It's a simple way to make your emails more professional and recognizable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.